Hi guys, welcome back with my weekend plan rasaku. So today I'm gonna share you the recipe of my all-time favorite kuih, which is Tepung Gomak, aka mochi Malaysia. Yes girl, we also got our mochi. I know right, Malaysia mochi, gila ke apa? Anyways, here's the ingredient. We start with the dough. Just add the flour, water and give it a little mix. Adding water is more like using our ancestor method, which is the agar-agar, because sometimes different flour brand have a different level of absorption. So you just need to agar-agar until it forms a ball like a play-doh. Kita uli-uli. Alright, once it become like a play-doh, set it aside. Next is the filling. Just throw all of the ingredient inside. I know right? This is why I love traditional dessert. So easy. Ni nak highlight ni. Kat KL ni susah sangat nak find freshly grated coconut. Nasib baik ada rasa kusubuk kelapa ni. Bolehlah satisfy my craving. And the inti can last longer. Tahan basi for sure kau jah. Gitu. Ni add cornstarch for easy handling. Kacau-kacau and transfer it into a small bowl. Makeup time. Alright, give a massage a little bit. Terkeluar pula. Mula-mula take the dough and then flatten it. After the dough become flat, add in the inti. You can letak banyak pun tak apa, lagi banyak lagi sedap. Alright, try to close it and flatten it back again. Be careful during this step to not let this dough burst. Once all the dough is done, we need to boil it. Time boiling, we need to wait until the dough floats. If the dough is not floating, it means that it's not ready yet. So give it a little time to float. Lastly, dust it with mung bean flour. Dah siap pun our tepung gomak kita. You need to try this recipe and please don't forget to tag us. So that's it. Simple but yet so delicious. Enjoy your baking moment better with rasaku. See you soon. Bye. Tarik. Tarik.